Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome. I am Emma, and today we have a short English pronunciation class.
Hi, I am Nexo. I am ready to listen, repeat, and improve my English sounds.
Great energy, Nexo. Today we will practice the sound T with clear words and short phrases.
Nice. I will say the sound carefully. T, 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 t.
First, I will show you the structure of our pronunciation lesson. Part 1 is words. We listen to each word and repeat it slowly. Part 2 is phrases. We listen to short phrases with the same sound. Remember, listen first, then repeat. Small steps make pronunciation stronger.
I like that. I will listen carefully and repeat with confidence.
Excellent. Let us start with the words.
Listen and repeat out loud. Table. Table. Tiger. Tiger. Turtle. Turtle. Tomato. Tomato. Tent. Tent. Taxi. Taxi. Tree. Tree. Train. Train. Tie. Tie. Toast. Toast. Ticket. Ticket. Teddy. Teddy. Top. Top. Towel. Towel. Tooth. Tooth. Hat. Hat. Boat. Boat. Goat. Goat. Phrases.
Good job completing the words. It is very important to listen to as much English as possible. Now, in phrases, our goal is to listen carefully to short sentences and get used to the sounds of English.
Great. I am ready for the phrases. I will listen closely.
Table. Table. The table is big. The table is big. Tiger. Tiger. The tiger is orange. The tiger is orange. Turtle. Turtle. The turtle is slow. The turtle is slow. Tomato. Tomato. The tomato is red. The tomato is red. Tent. Tent. The tent is blue. The tent is blue. Taxi. Taxi. The taxi is yellow. The taxi is yellow. Tree. Tree. The tree is green. The tree is green. Train. Train. The train is red. The train is red. Tie. Tie. The tie is black. The tie is black. Toast. Toast. I see toast. I see toast. Ticket. Ticket. The ticket is pink. The ticket is pink. Teddy. Teddy. The teddy is soft. The teddy is soft. Top. Top. The top is red. The top is red. Towel. Towel. The towel is clean. The towel is clean. Tooth. Tooth. The tooth is white. The tooth is white. Hat. Hat. The hat is brown. The hat is brown. Boat. Boat. The boat is small. The boat is small. Goat. Goat. The goat is hungry. The goat is hungry.
Good job. You and Nexo finished the pronunciation class today.
Yes, I practiced the T sound, and I feel more confident now.
Excellent work. Keep listening, keep repeating, and see you in the next class.